Hello friends, how are you all? I am Mohammad Imran Ali. I'm participating in this contest cooking for kids which have been organized by EasyCookBook. So today I am going to make French fries which you also love and too. So let's start the video. So first you have to peel the potatoes. So now I'll peel the potato. So here my peeling is done. You can see. And here my peeling is done. So here you can see I have peeled the potato. Now I will show you my all potatoes. So here is our potatoes ready. So let's cut it in French fries shape. So let's go. So now we will cut the shape of French fries. So cut the sides of the potato to rest it, 4 sides, okay. Cut its slices. Make a grip. Make a good grip. Cut side. Here you can see like a shapes of French fries. So here we are making some French fries. So you can see here our French fries are ready. So I have cutted this in the French fry shape. You can see. So now we'll put this French fries in this chill water. Here I put French fries, potatoes in this chill water. So let's keep this in the refrigerator. So here I have taken some tap water. So now what you have to do, here potatoes, French fries. So take it out and put this potatoes in this. Add little salt. Add little salt. Now cover the lid. Cover the lid for 2 minutes. Close the flame. Let it cool down. Now I am draining the potatoes water. Put the drained French fries in this. Let it cool down for 5 minutes. Now transfer this to a zip pouch bag. Now seal it and keep this in refrigerator, okay, for about 4 to 5 hours. Now the second step is put some oil. Add oil and heat it to high. Now take out the French fries and fry it. Now put the French fries in the oil. So now let's make the masala for the french fries. So add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala, and little mint powder. Now mix it well. Add some amount of masalas. So our french fries is ready, you can see here. So I will taste it and tell you.